Today, I'll walk you through how to convert Google Sheets into JSON data, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transform your spreadsheet into a JSON format so you can easily use it in web applications or APIs. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Once there, click on the app's icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all of Google's services, including Sheets. It's like opening a toolbox to find the right tool for your project. Next, click on Sheets. This will take you to your Google Sheets dashboard where you can access your existing spreadsheets or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. Now, once you have your spreadsheet open, look for the Extensions menu at the top of the page. Click on it. This is where we'll find the tools we need to convert our data. From the Extensions menu, click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This will open a marketplace where you can search for various tools to enhance your Google Sheets experience. In the search bar, type Sheet to JSON and hit Enter. This will bring up the relevant add-ons. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Once you find the Sheet to JSON add-on, download and install it. This is a crucial step, as this tool will help us convert our spreadsheet data into JSON format. After installation, return to the Extensions menu. Hover over the Sheet to JSON option and click on Open App. This will launch the add-on interface where the magic happens. Once the app is open, click on New Configuration. This is where you'll set up how you want your data to be formatted. Next, select your data source by choosing the specific range of cells in your spreadsheet that you want to convert. Now add a name to your schema. This helps in identifying your data structure later on. After that, review your settings. Make sure everything looks good and then click Generate. This will create the JSON data based on your spreadsheet. Finally, click Download to save your JSON file to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google Sheets into JSON data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.